Did you know Facebook has a dedicated desktop app for Windows 10? If you're tired of keeping Facebook open in multiple browser tabs, draining your memory and battery, this native app is the solution you've been looking for. It's faster, cleaner, and gives you a desktop-optimized experience. Let me show you how to install it in under 2 minutes. First, we need to open the Microsoft Store. There are 2 quick ways to do this. Method 1. Click the Start button, then look for the Microsoft Store icon. It's the one that looks like a shopping bag. Or, the faster way, click on the search box in your taskbar. That's the magnifying glass icon next to the Start button. Type Microsoft Store, and click on it when it appears in the results. The store will open in just a moment. Now that we're in the Microsoft Store, look at the top of the window. You'll see a search bar that says Search Apps, Games, Movies, and more. Click on that search bar, type Facebook Facebook and hit Enter on your keyboard. The search results will appear, and you'll see the official Facebook app. It should be the first result with the familiar blue Facebook logo. Click on it to open the app page. You're now on Facebook's app page. Here you can see the app description, screenshots, and user reviews. To install it, simply click the blue Get button. You might be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. If so, just enter your credentials. The download will start automatically. You'll see a progress bar showing the installation status. The Facebook app is relatively small, so this typically takes less than a minute depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the Get button will change to say Launch or Open. Now let's open your newly installed Facebook app. Again, there are 2 ways. You can click the Launch button right there in the Microsoft Store. Or, close the store and click the search box on your taskbar, type Facebook, and click on the Facebook app when it appears in the results. This is how you'll access it going forward. The app will open in its own window. Notice how it looks and feels different from the web version. To get started, enter your Facebook email address or phone number, then your password, and click Login. If you use 2-factor authentication, which I highly recommend for security, you'll need to enter that code as well. And that's it. You're now using Facebook as a dedicated desktop application. Pro tip: right-click the Facebook icon in your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar so you can access it instantly anytime. The desktop app offers some great advantages. You get native Windows notifications, it uses less memory than browser tabs, and you can keep Facebook separate from your other browsing. Plus, it stays signed in, so you don't have to log in every time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more Windows 10 tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.